If you are seeking infinite abundance, joy and possibilities, the universal law of attraction can come in handy. This law knows no difficulty and believes that anything imaged can be achieved if the right course of action is taken. In this video, we will explore more on the law of attraction and how you can use it in your life. What does the law of attraction mean? To put it in simple terms, the law of attraction is basically the philosophy that suggests we attract into our lives what we put our focus on. According to this philosophy, positive thoughts bring about positive outcomes while negative thoughts bring negative results. The law of attraction is based on the belief that our emotions and thoughts are a form of energy. Therefore, positive energy has the ability to attract success in all areas of life, including relationships, finances, and health. It is believed that the law of attraction is an unchanging universal principle, and most people have used it to gain success in life. The philosophy of the law of attraction dates back in the early 19th century. However, the law of attraction became more prevalent in the modern society after the release of the film The Secret in 2006. The film was later developed into the best-selling book that aimed to shed light on the mind and body problem. Over the years, the law of attraction quantum scientists and practitioners have continued to expand on the Secret guideline. While some people claim that their success stories are due to the law of attraction, there is still a lot of controversy as to whether this law really works. The 3 laws of attraction. It is believed that the law of attraction is made of 3 universal principles that you can apply to improve your life. They include: 1. Positive attracts positive. Although it has been known that opposites attract, the law of attraction suggests that positive attract positive. This means that positive things are attracted to one another, as well as negative things will be attracted to one another. For instance, individuals attract those that are more like them. Furthermore, our thoughts attract similar outcomes. Therefore, positive thinking produces positive results while negative thinking attracts negative outcomes. 2. Nature abhors a vacuum. According to this law, removing negative things to create new space attracts new things. Basically, something will always fill the empty space in your mind or life. Therefore, it is important to remove negative things and fill with positivity. 3. The present is always perfect. Most of the time, the present may seem imperfect and somewhat flawed. However, advocates suggest that you can make your current reality perfect by learning how to manage the flaws. Once you have perfected the situation, it will be very easy for you to attract the next perfect situation. So how does the law of attraction work? With so much information about this philosophy, it is only normal to wonder, does the law of attraction work? As aforementioned, great men and women like Oprah Winfrey, Denzel Washington, Shakespeare, Jim Carrey, and many others have shown that their success stories evolved around the law of attraction. Most people find it challenging to understand how the law of attraction works. Truth be told, the law of attraction can be difficult to understand, just like it's still a mystery how the law of gravity works. However, not understanding the law of attraction comprehensively does not mean that it doesn't work. You just need to tune in your view of your relationship with the universe and examine how it interacts with you. According to the law of attraction, you can influence your surroundings and control your lives through your thoughts and feelings. When you have a better perception and understanding of your relationship with the universe, you can attract better things in your life. Now that you have an understanding of how the law of attraction works, you now need to practice it to influence the events around you. Interestingly, this law is already working in your life, you simply need to make it work for you. Here are 4 ways that you can use the law of attraction to improve your life. Attract money and wealth. The law of attraction can help you achieve a common goal in the world, financial abundance. It is without a doubt that most people are seeking ways to increase their wealth and get rich. However, in order to attract wealth, you need to have positive thought patterns. The law of attraction for money allows you to focus on money and prospering coming into your life. This way, you will quickly achieve financial abundance and money will be easy to come by. Also, don't forget to be thankful for what you already have. The vibrational frequency of being grateful will automatically attract financial abundance into your life. Manifest love and relationships more effectively. Proponents suggest that the law of attraction can bring positive changes when it comes to love and relationships. Based on this law, you need to focus on love if you want love to manifest in your life. Basically, you need to be the love that you want to attract. You can only create an abundance of love in your life if you become more loving and generous with yourself and others. Additionally, this great tool can help you work on your ideas and yourself in general, allowing you to become more confident and willing to receive love. Improve your well-being. The law of attraction can also be used as a tool to improve one's health. Most people attract poor health without even realizing it. The law of attraction affirmations eliminates negative feelings, which are usually the cause of certain diseases. By creating more positive patterns, your overall well-being is likely to improve. This is also true for our mental well-being, as this law helps us to open up to new possibilities. It causes us to believe that we deserve good things, and this reverses the negative patterns that could negatively affect our mental well-being. Improves spirituality. You can use the law of attraction to awaken your spirituality. This will also ensure your overall well-being, since spirituality is associated with various health benefits like reduced stress and depression. It is believed that this law connects people to God or the universe, and you will begin to see beyond the ordinary world. You will open up to new possibilities, and this will produce positive results in your life. By now, you know more about the law of attraction, how it works, and how it can be applied to enhance your life. However, you need to remember that the possibilities of this law are only limited to your mind. Believe that the law actually works, and you will transform your dreams into actual reality in no time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to push the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any subject that you would like a video on, let us know in the comments below. We love to help you guys out whenever we can. That said, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.